what to do, what to look up in the law, what to cross-examine on, and so on. At no stage did they raise any personal problem to me at all. But somehow, now they have just disappeared. I don't know where they are at all. I have tried to get them, my colleagues have tried to get them on the phone. We are not getting them on the phone at all. Something, somewhere is wrong. I do not know what's wrong at all. But I would find it very difficult to cross-examine or to continue the proceedings in view of what I've just told you. I've lived in this country for 88 years. I've been at the bar for slightly more than 50 years. During the regime of President Jomo Kenyatta, during the regime of President Daniel Arap Moi, during the regime of Mwai Kibaki, Uhuru, and so on. I've seen it all during these years, both in Kenya, in Uganda, and Tanzania. Things happen. I don't want to say anything has gone wrong. I'm hoping that nothing has gone wrong, which will embarrass everybody. But I'm asking you that you have done this much. Human life is precious. Let me find out what has happened in my country. Are they still breathing? I can't believe that they have run away from me at all. At no time these young people, if they complain anything or say to me that Khaminwa, we're not happy about that, we are not in possession of money or we have work and so on, no, nothing. I was the contrary, very much impressed by it. The way they were eager, they appeared to be people with ideas, and they appeared to be very cooperative to me and so on. Yeah. This one put up your hand on the yeah.
So are you, okay.
Yeah. So I'm saying to you very respectfully that let us find out what has happened to us. Yeah. Now, the other advocate I have is Lydia Chen. She's unable to participate in the proceedings any further. And I'm just now allowed. So I'm saying to you that I would not say that my client is sitting fair here without my knowing what has happened to these young people. If, of course, they have run left, they are no longer interested in the proceedings, then I'll go on. I'll go on with the vigor. I'll go on aggressively as a lawyer. But for the time being, I'm giving them credit of doubt. Because I did not at any time suspect anything at all. Although, of course, they don't work in my office. But at no time did I become suspicious of anything at all. There's another lawyer called Asha, whom I've been appearing. That one, I don't think I can read anything into what has happened, but she keeps on saying, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, but she doesn't arrive. Yeah, she doesn't arrive at all. And then there is the client himself, whom I've spoken to a few minutes ago, and he said that it's only fully coming. Practice of law in this country and elsewhere, I've got problems, and I've handled some of the problems. I've faced some of the problems. And yeah, so I'm asking, it's a lot of members, I apologize to them sincerely, but then I'm here as a servant of law to defend the law, to defend the concept of the rule of law. defend the Constitution and above all, defend the human life which is provided for in our Constitution. So what I'm saying, give me opportunity to find out where they are, what has happened. Are they still around? And so on. We live in a world that is no longer which is unpredictable. Very, very unpredictable.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Senior
And,
Counsel.
I've had a share of this type of life in the past. So that to some extent I'm not very much surprised. But let me find out what has happened. I apologize to the members of the Select Committee. I apologize to them. I was ready to cross-examine the cabinet secretary. Yeah. In other words, what I'm saying to you is not a laughable matter.
No.
And let us not take it so. Recently I did a case in the Magistrate Court when a chap was charged with the offense of terrorism, a Somali chap. I represented him very effectively. He was acquitted. And he then called me and told me, Khaminwa, I don't want to leave the prison. I want to continue to be in prison. I said, what? He said, no, Khaminwa, I do not want to leave prison. Make an application for me to continue to be in prison. I asked him, what? He told me, Khaminwa, those who are with me who have been released, they are no longer with us. I fear that if I leave prison, you will hear that I'm no longer with us. I had to make an application to the Chief Magistrate and tell him that, look, I thank you very much for what you have done. You have acquitted my client, but let him continue to be in prison. The Chief Magistrate told me that what? I told him my client fears that if he comes out, he may not be announced at all. And if it was true that those who had been charged and prosecuted and who had come out were just disappeared. Nobody knew where they were at all.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I'm saying
Senior Counsel.
that's not a laughable matter. And let us not treat it as if it's a laughable matter or we're trying to avoid something at all and so on. This is the occasion when men and women, great men and great women, should rise up and show sympathy to others. Human life is important. Let us know what has happened to these young people. Very promising lawyers. I was impressed with them. I was giving the prayer here.
Honorable Chair, do you have your permission to react?
No, just a minute. Presiding Chair. First of all, allow the CS to resume his seat. He has been standing for so long, and the Council decided.
Counsel, you can also sit.
I enjoy standing.